You know what your boy wants? Your I gotta put my finger. Oh my lord, you can barely see. Your boy wants revenge on those two bastards for embarrassing me in the crawl space video. I'ma not pinch climb, that's too easy. One down. Second two, easy. I'm not doing it again. Anyways, as y'all noticed at the beginning part, it's a little hard to see my thumbs or hands while I'm talking, which is why I did get the ring. But I'm realizing one ring is not going to cut it. So, two things. One, new fit. Two, yeah, that's about it. And also, another thing is, I wanted to do a background video on a game that looked amazing. Only problem is you can also see this guy the best. This one's a little harder to see. But the DLC was the full game. And I didn't buy it because I don't have enough money to. Because I like to play free games so y'all can also enjoy the experience. Anyways, I decided to do it a little bit different video and just do a, Gorilla Tag S.C.P video. But before we get to, the main, kill count, like, subscribe, bullshit, let me change my fit for y'all. You stay here. That's about it. Anyways, let me just change my fit. That looks good. Oh, you look fire, I guess. Oh, I need both hands. Anyways, in 3, 2, surprise, new fit. And as you can see my fingers better when I'm doing this, and my shoulders blocking it. And another bonus is I still get to keep the ring. And also, you can now see my hands when I'm doing this on my belly, even though the gloves would have done the same effect. And also, I never really wanted to put on the, yes, I did get the shirt because, oh, forgot I already placed it on the back. Because as you can see, it has a cape. And that's why I always wanted to use it. Only problem is, I didn't want to because it covers the fully black belly. But then I realized the fully black belly is kind of basic, and also, Batman doesn't, his suit is fully black in most, media. So that's why I also wore this. And plus it looks vampire-y, blah blah blah. Anyways, like, subscribe, watch my other videos. Sorry for the yap session. Gimme dash. Here's how many times I've died so far. As you can see, 0. And, guess what, guys? There's nothing. I was rage bait. Not even rage bait, doesn't matter, just... Fuck it, goodbye. I was just in Rec Room for some memories. Let's just go to the fucking S.C.P game. Only thing is about the whole Rec Room shutting down is I thought the whole game was gonna get taken. Oh Lord, have mercy on my fucking soul. Game made by... I think most of these games normally have Discord, so I'm gonna expect this one to have one. God damn, I look away. Bro, I immediately see him and I have a heart attack. Why the fuck did he... Where the fuck are me hands? But why the fuck did he start bulking? You make sense, you're stoned, but why the You always allow them. Even if they're gonna steal my fucking identity one day. What the fuck? Oh, never mind. Oh, what the...
Nah. But everybody look away and free! Oh, he's coming for you!
I'm fucking... No one doing that call!
No,
A reminder to all personnel,
the coach work.
motivational seminars are held at the faculty auditorium from hours 17 to 18 on Thursdays. Come on down.
No, please. Man, fuck you. I'm invincible! And I'm gonna fucking die. I didn't mean to. Not my fault the asshole was on the door. Immediate slime? Yeah, I think it's more fun if you play with other people, so let me just do that actually. Yeah, let me enter one.
What the fuck?
Oh.
Security is the first step towards a safe
What are you-
work environment. Stay
What are you doing?
secure.
Good luck, bro. I'm looking for the other guys. Where the fuck are they? Don't give me that bullshit. I saw the peanut, motherfucker. Ah, fuck me in the ass. Oh wait, I can blink in this one, you asshole. Fuck you. Dang. Can. Oh, he can. He can. Okay. Who the fuck opened the door? Let me guess, the big guy? Oh no, this is the alternate way to get to him. Nope. No. No, it's gonna be one, like a trap way I look at it and then... Nope. Okay, for a sec. Oh, Plague Doctor. Plague Doctor. So this game is like a level system. I get through one guy, then go to the other. That's not. It is. It fucking. Oh, fuck no. Gotta get him in here. Containment. You don't want to get backed up against a wall, so. Oh, this is a fun game. This is a fun game. I'm running. Bro, if I was you, I would run. I'd grant me the sweet death of a fast one. Good. He's not gonna be a problem for a while now. Permanently. Unless if I just fucked myself and I can't get out. I can't get out, can I? Fuck. Wait, what room design is this? Oh, that was him over there. Okay. Yeah, I regret my options. You know what? I'ma just kill myself by starving. Where the fuck is the butt? I have severely fucked myself with this one. Fun game, but I just realized it's better with multiplayer, and I'm gonna do that a little bit later. But first I'm gonna go to another game, and let's just make it another 2-for-1. That's about it. Goodbye. Here's... No! 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 Anyways, this is called Nostalgia. W loading screen, hello. Oh, it's one of these games. Oh, fuck me. Got turn 2 physically. H G. Perfect. My name. Perfect. Room. BHG. Gonna join a public one later. Legit. Is there any settings? I knew I wasn't going crazy. Look at my fucking hand. Color. Oh, I am black. Oh, so I guess my hands are... Okay, that's good. I'm only gonna... There you are, smooth. I like smooth. Yeah, I don't want to become like a fucking, you know, console Roblox player. I'm roasting my own kind there, but still. I know I wasn't going crazy. Oh, this looks like a W horror game just based off the artwork. I'm not gonna watch. I'm not gonna look at all of them. Looks so cool. How much do we even have? You have 500 eyes. Posh, what the fuck do you... Motherfucker, you're not the... Bro, you're not describing me. You're describing the unholy being that I see in my fucking room. I'm gonna guess that, in order to get more, I just gotta keep playing. Top hat. Yes. Are you sure? Yeah. I guess it's like a later thing. Where's the mirror, though? Oh. What the fuck do I... What the fuck? I have no... I mean, I know I sold all of them, but bro, I have no eyes. Where's my... Oh, there we go. I should have it now. Hopefully. Gotta restart my game. I'm gonna do that later, though. No, I wanna die with swagger, motherfuckers. I'm doing it right. I'm recording this again is because this intro is way too fire. Like the whole loading screen. Fire, bro. I'm gonna turn it public later, but for now, that's my new name. Oh, no, I don't like this. This is better. Better. Where the fuck? Look, I do. Wait, let me. I do love, the music. Only problem is I don't want to risk getting copyrighted, so yeah. Oh, hell yeah. No going back. How much start later? Let me look at the artwork. Yo, what the f... Yeah, this looks like a fire game. Unironically, I love smaller, I love games like this that are inspired by the Backrooms and or, Dreamcore. Big fan of, those medias. Yeah, hell yeah, I can die with swagger on my head, bro. Zero, yep. I'm gonna assume that it's not, a daily thing. It's more of, a... the more you play, the more you get. Only if it doesn't let you press yes or no, then make sure you're pressing it light. Alright. I'm not being a bitch. Welcome user to Nostalgia VR. In this game, you go through different nostalgic levels. This is not fucking nostalgic, this is horror. Oh, I love this motion blur. Check your status on your thing too. Yep. What the fuck? Miss, where am I supposed to go? Or, sir, whatever you are. I'm trying to get on a bubble. Shit! Find a portal, alright? Okay, so that's what it does. Find a portal. Look, it's harder to read like this, but I love, the motion blur. Forces me to stop and actually put myself in danger. Oh, there it is. And the portal looks nice with the motion blur. I gotta touch a bubble. If I don't, then I'm gay. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that, but still. Shit. Fuck. Hold on, let me try to touch a different one. Yeah, the portal's right there, so I know where it is. I'm just gonna go to a different one first. A different bubble. If I were still above it, I could touch that one easily. Could I hypothetically touch it? Probably. Let's look at it. Definitely, actually. No, never mind. For some reason, when there's a bubble, I can't touch it at all, so... Yeah, I'm gonna try it on a different attempt. It's not worth it to waste my time. Let me just go. I'm fucking frolicking here. Okay, just kidding. Wait, maybe I can touch some of these guys. Let me try it. Nope, I think it's like a illusion that way farther than I think. Yeah, I can't touch that. But this bubble, look, so close. Let's see. Watch my hand go straight through it. Oh, no, they're just solid, alright. Don't know what I expected. I expected them to pop. Danger level safe. Oh, wait, the danger level thing. Fuck me. Collect all the eyes to open a portal. Unsafe. Weird core.
I feel so funny these days. I'd rather sleep than stay awake. Trees used to talk to
Oh, those eyes.
Now I know what's real and what is fake. Now I know what's real, what's fake. Rather sleep than stay awake. Are we from outer space? This doesn't feel like the right place. And we'll try anything just to
How many
be
do we have?
a kid.
Wait, what's those? No, there's. I think the mushroom wants him.
Just to be a kid
Kid
again.
again. Look, I love the song, but I gotta make it a little bit less quiet. And I'm not sure if this song is copyrighted or not. I don't think so, since I see hundreds upon hundreds of videos use it. So I'm assuming it's not, copyrighted. And if it is, womp womp, I don't really care. Good enough for me. Look, I love the song, so yeah. Real, what's fake? That is an ugly fucker.
Rather sleep
Then
than
stay awake. This game is beautifully made. Don't tell me I have to touch that thing. It's just unsafe. That thing's gonna kill me if I. What is the song with? One more idea. I'm gonna talk one more. I'm gonna shoot that bucket. I want to put the monster dog when it sees me. The fact they're doing it's impressive. Awake to me. Now I know what's real and what is fake. Now I know what's real, what's fake. Rather sleep than stay awake.
Are we from outer space?
Probably.
This doesn't feel like the right place. And we'll try anything just to be a kid once again. Just to be a kid again.
Where's the portal? That wasn't all of them, was it? Damn it. Oh, yep, it was. I need to see what the monster does when it sees me. Also, I know this will probably never happen. It's just way too hard to make it. But I really want to see a Teletubbies Zero game on, like, VR. Look at that thing!
Now I know what's real, what's fake.
Oh.
Rather sleep
Oh, it's
than
chasing me!
stay awake.
Unironically, this is more intimidating than anything I've ever played. It's not loud, it's just it. Get the fuck away. Dreamcore. Last one was Weird Core. This is Dreamcore. The first thing was like a computer, so. Here. Why are my hands twisted like that? I know it's part of like the aesthetic and everything, especially my hands glitching out and like not existing for some angles. Finally, time to get to a dangerous level, aren't I? Level. The low-key realizing that was a lot of battery. Not like a lot of battery, that was like a long recording, so. Wait, which one was it? Was it on this one or the other one? The other one. I do love games like Fever Dream too, since Fever Dream is like one of my top favorite games. But still. Let me look around for the portal. Please tell me if there's like a... Yep, it's right there. Okay. But I do feel like this game should give you like an indicator where like if the objective's done, it should be like, you know, colored green, like a check mark. I don't know what's gonna be on my thumbnail though. Probably gonna be like the one with the monster. Oh god. Escape. Man, fuck your 3% charge bullshit. Oh god, this is the scariest thing I've ever experienced. No, but it is scary as fuck. The monster isn't screaming, the level is. Okay. I gotta keep climbing. Wait, I didn't realize I made it. Any portals? If I see any portals, that's amazing. Let me guess, it's on one of those three. I can't find it, so I will 100% replay / revisit this game. One problem is I can't find it and I'm too tired to continue. I'm not joking, I'm sweaty as shit, bro. Anyways, I'm just gonna go for today's episode and that's about it. Anyways, goodbye. Yo, brother, what Fever Dream bullshit did I find, bro? What the f... Anyways, complicated if I'm gonna give myself the golden lemming. No, actually, I feel like for games where I like do 2 instead of 1, I'm gonna give, unless if I do have a specific goal, I'm gonna give the games the golden lemming. S.C.P game, 1 golden lemming, but at 7.5 because this game has a lot of potential. Could be like it could be like very fire. Only problem is, it's better with multiple people, and you know, the potential isn't fully there yet, but it has a lot, right? Which means it could be absolute cinema. But with the Dream Core game, there's no explanation. It's peak. It's very much, yeah, it's inspired by both the Backrooms and Dream Core, and I can say this as like an avid fan of both of those things. Mostly the Backrooms though. They executed the feeling flawlessly. It gave me a little bit of a weird sense of paranoia. And the game does what most of them normally do. It acts like a fucking fever dream. What the fuck? Guess what? Your boy is a fucking dumbass. Here's how many... Wait, here's how many times I've died, so that's about it. Since that's how many times I've died, not prepared to say